What a day in the stock market. We've got some incredible movers you need to know about right now. First up, the stocks that are absolutely crushing it today. What a run for you. Jumping plus 13.29%. Stock price at $41.08. RIVN is crushing it today. Climbing plus 12.11%. Currently at $18.42. EVCM is absolutely flying today. Up plus 10.93%. Currently trading at $12.08. Unfortunately, not all stocks are green. Here are today's biggest losers. Sellers are hammering FRMI. Down minus 33.84%. Price at $10.09. MOD is getting wrecked. Down minus 15.32%. Trading at $139.88. Not a good day for OKLO holders. Dropping minus 15.13%. At $87.42. And that's a wrap on today's market movers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you tomorrow.